Hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something to celebrate game day with my friend Ian Good. I'm also celebrating Crocktober and cooking something in my crock pot. I'm making crock pot cranberry sauerkraut meatballs. Join me in my kitchen and we'll make them now. Grab your crock pot. Oh my goodness. Get out of there, buddy! Add a can of drained sauerkraut in the pot. You need a can of whole berry cranberry sauce to add to the pot. Next, we need 12 ounces of chili sauce. Right inside, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and then I'm gonna mix that all together. You need a bag of fully cooked home-style meatballs. You need to let them thaw a little bit. Grab your balls and drop them in. Mix it up. I'm gonna cover it and cook it on low for about 4 hours. It's all done. And now I'm ready to try it. I have never thought of mixing sauerkraut and cranberries, but this is a recipe that actually exists. So I gotta give it a go. I love grape jelly meatballs, so it's kind of playing along the lines of that. Let's find out. A wonderful sweetness, just like a grape jelly meatball. The sauerkraut isn't like totally popping, and its worky just kind of gives it a fun texture, I guess. It's a fun meatball, perfect for the big game. So grab those crock pots and get cooking. Now you'll have to check out these other channels. My friends Jerri Ellen and Mel's channel. It's called Two Cousins Cooking, as well as my friend Ian Good, who's celebrating the big game today. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and continue to join me for more. Which berry is the most colorful? A crayon berry.